All right, you guys, this is the last math video of the week. I just can't believe the time has already gone by this fast, and as much as I wish I was doing this with you guys in person and ending the year off with you guys, I just am really thankful that we've been able to do these videos together, and you've watched me teach math, you've watched Ms. Hofstad do her grammar videos, and I'm just really proud of you guys for keeping up the really hard work. All right, so I guess let's get started. We're doing underwater word problems. So this is just some review. I know that word problems can be kind of tricky because it feels like it's giving out so much information and we don't even know where to start. But I know that you guys will get this, especially with lots of practice. And not even just practice now, but practice throughout the summer. All right, so let's go starting right here. Multi-step addition and subtraction problems. All right, so at the bookstore, Sally the Stingray bought 12 mystery books and 16 nonfiction books. If 15 books were used, how many new books did she buy? All right, so she bought 12 mystery books, so we know that. And she bought 16 nonfiction books. If 15 of those books were used, how many new books did she buy? So we know that altogether she bought 12 mystery and 16 nonfiction. So let's first, if we want to figure out how much 12 and 16 is altogether, we need to add. So let's add 16 plus 12. So I know 6 plus 2 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so now this is how many books were bought altogether, 28. But 15 of these books were used. So we want to figure out how many were new. So now we're going to do 28. So 28 were all the books together, and we're going to subtract 15 because 15 were used. All right, so now I do 8 minus 5, which is 3, and 2 minus 1, which is 1. So I know that she had 13 new books. An easy way to check your work is by doing 15 plus 13, and if I get 28, then that's the right answer. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 13 new books. Okay, so now you guys are going to finish the rest of this page on your own. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to do multi-step addition and multiplication problems. So the really nice thing about these word problems are that they tell you what you need to do. So they are telling you that you need to do addition and multiplication. You don't need to, you don't necessarily need to determine how you solve each problem, which operation you use. Sorry, I could not figure out what that word was. So it's telling you the operation to use. They're telling you to use addition and multiplication. In the last one, they were telling you to do addition and subtraction. So that's kind of the nice thing, and not always, we don't usually get that. Usually you have to determine what it is, what operation you need to use. All right, so Lonnie the lobster was playing a game where he found 6 treasures, I'm going to underline that, in the first 10 minutes, and 3 treasures in the next 10 minutes. If he gets 4 points for each treasure he finds, how many points has he earned in 20 minutes? Okay, so we know that he found 6 treasures in the first 10 minutes. and he found 3 treasures in the next 10 minutes. If he gets 4 points for each treasure he finds, how many points has he earned in 20 minutes? So I know that, okay, so they're saying that the first 10 minutes, he found 6 treasures, all right? So that's the first 10 minutes. And then 3 treasures in the next 10 minutes. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So they're saying this is how many minutes, or this is how many treasures he's found in 20 minutes. So in order to find how many treasures he's found in 20 minutes, we need to do 6 plus 3, all right? And I know that 6 plus 3 is 9. All right. If he gets 4 points for each treasure he finds, how many points has he earned in 20 minutes? So we know that the number 9 is how many treasures he's found. And now we want to figure out how many points he'll get for the 9 treasures. But he gets 4 points for each treasure. So we need to do 9 times 4. And 9 times 4 is 36. So he gets 36 points. All right, so remember, when you're going through these problems, sometimes you need to read it a couple of times, right? I kind of, honestly, when I read this, I got a little confused. I'm like, what do you mean 20 minutes? They didn't mention 20 minutes. But then once you go back and you see here, when you read carefully, it says the first 10 minutes he got 6, and the next 10 minutes he got 3. So I thought, oh, I need to add them up. Okay, so remember, and it's telling us that. It's telling us that we're doing addition and then we're doing multiplication. So really take advantage that they're giving that to you. Alrighty, you guys. Go ahead and finish up these next couple of pages, this page, and then try to do addition and division, these multi-step addition and division problems. And moving on to, again, some more subtraction and addition problems. You guys are going to rock it. Feel free to call me if you need any help, and have fun. Bye.